how to integrate Calendly with Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect and of course integrate Calendly together with your Framer website. So we have here an example of Calendly over here. So to be able to do this, there are two ways. So the first way is to click on insert over here on the left side or the top left side and navigate to forms. Under forms, you will be able to see your option Calendly. So you can simply drag and drop it into your website as you can see. Also, you can do the same thing by going over here into Calendly and simply copying the code that you will be able to get on one of your events. So click on share, add to website, inline embed, continue, and then simply copy this code over here. Go back into your Framer, click on utility, click on embed, double click this, click on HTML, paste it, enter, and now you will be able to have your specific meeting added into your Framer as you can see here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.